So in the first question, you're asked to integrate sine square x by 2 dx. And in the next question, you're asked to integrate cos power 5 of nx. So let us see how you can simplify these integrals. First, sine square x by 2 is not easily integrable in this form. But if I use the formula, sine square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x by 2 dx. Now this can be written as a half is a constant which comes out. Integration of 1 dx is x minus integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So that's how you can integrate sine square x by 2. So whenever you have higher powers of trigonometric functions, so using these formulas you can reduce the power. For example, if you have integration of cos power 5 of nx, so it is not easily integrable function. So what do you do? The general technique is whenever you have an odd power of trigonometric function, so what you do is cos power 4 nx into cos nx dx. You separate one of the power outside, cos nx dx. So now if the power is odd, if you bring one of the term outside, the remaining power will obviously be even. Now what I can do is integration of cos power 4 nx can be written as 1 minus sine square nx, right? 1 minus sine square nx is cos square nx. Cos power 4 is 1 minus sine square nx whole square times cos nx dx. Now this function is made up of sin nx and you have a cos nx dx beside it. So let sin nx is equal to t. So if you differentiate this, n cos nx dx is equal to dt. So cos nx dx is equal to dt by n. So this integration becomes integration of 1 minus t square whole square times cos nx dx is dt by n. So 1 by n into 1 minus t square whole square into dt. That is equal to 1 by n times integration of 1 plus t power 4 minus 2t square times dt. 1 plus t power 4 minus 2t square times dt. So this implies, so now this is a polynomial. The integration of this is very simple. So 1 by n times t plus t power 5 by 5 minus 2 times t cube by 3 plus c. And once the integration is complete, we can do the back substitution. That is t is equal to sin nx. This implies 1 by n times sin nx plus sin power 5 of nx by 5 minus 2 by 3 of sin cube of nx plus c. So this will be the integration of cos power 5 of nx. So I hope you are understanding what you need to do whenever the power of trigonometric function is odd. You need to take one of the power outside, the remaining power is even. We can change this trigonometric ratio into a adjacent trigonometric ratio. Cos can be changed into sin can be changed into cos, and then you can do the substitution and get the answer.